key is he wants to watch the tire. So really, it might be better if you kind of just like right here. So that's where he wants you to be. So if he's in the right lane,
Okay.
he'll be right here. If he's in the left lane, he'll be on that side. Like that.
Okay.
Like this.
So
So you're
I
like back.
okay. I always need to go record the tire.
Ai, eu já quero uma câmera dessa já, ó. Topzera das galáxias, hein, gente?
Only in the left lane because that's when he would be on the wall. Because this, let's say that, see how it's a track and there's two walls, like this wall and then the one over there. There's no wall in the middle.
Sim.
It's just a line. That's the center. So you want to be on the outsides. So outside right here. If he's in the left lane, if he's on the left side of the track, you're on the left side of the car. If he's on the right side of the track, you're on the right side of the car, which is the wall.
Aprendendo a profissão nova, hein?
Tá vendo, né?
Boom.
Filmadora.
It'll just be right here.
É cameraman.
Camera. Camera woman.
Right there. Like that's like, you know, you might be to zoom in a little bit, like that might be too far away. I would he wants the whole car though, even the wheelie bars.
Okay.
So like make sure that you're like, see how that's too much? Because we can't see the wheelie bars. You want to be able to see the whole car.
Okay.
So like right there. At least where you can see the wheelie bars. That would be too much. Because I can't see the bottom of the wheelie bars.
No, I have to move.
So then you only you're gonna hit record
Top, hein, gente?
as soon as
Top.
before he does the burnout. When I'm out there with you, I'll tell you when to hit record. And then whenever he's done, comes right here. But try not to zoom all the way in because you see what happens when you zoom all the way in. When you zoom all the way in, it gets real shaky.
Okay.
So watch this though. See when I don't zoom all the way in? See how it's not like it's shaky? But if you zoom all the way in, it's very hard to like focus. So I would zoom like right there. Don't zoom all the way in. So just go from like right here. As he's going down the track.
And slowly zoom.
Eu não sei o que acontece.
And the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. It's like you'll want to kind of just go with him. So as he goes down the track, you get what I'm saying? So like, and then hit the sign. Other than that, boom, you're good. And then when you turn it off, you can close this to turn it off, and it'll stop, or you can just hit that button. Camerawoman.
Hold on. So, okay.
Oh, let me get a picture real quick.
Over here.
Eles têm que fazer o teste ali do negócio da... Como que chama? Do motor. Tem que chegar no 13. Pra tá bom. Pra ele conseguir a potência que ele precisa.
Fala, mamãe, tô na Globo.
Fala comigo, mãe. Tô na Globo. É nóis.
I can, like a turn this if I want to.
Yeah, turn it to how you
Like
want
come over here. Like a, right here, is it good?
Então, gente, eu vou
No, because you can't see the car.
encerrar essa live por aqui, que é só um spoiler pra vocês de como vai ser ali o dia da corrida mesmo, que hoje é só dia de teste. E eu vou mostrar pra vocês tudinho no dia do teste também, lógico. Mas eu vou... Quem quiser me acompanhar mais, eu vou colocar mais coisas pra vocês lá no Instagram, tá bom? Então não deixa de me seguir lá no Instagram, @ThaísUSA_oficial. ThaísUSA_oficial. Segue lá e acompanha tudo, que vai estar top demais. Beijos, fiquem com Deus.
Out a little bit, out, right there, perfect. So zoom in some more.
Assim que eu descobrir como é que eu desligo essa live.
That's right where you want to be. Zoom even in a little bit more to where those come to the edge.